Hello, my name is Roshan Thomas and I am the CEO and founder of Biktrix electric bikes. I'm here today to share some really difficult news with you. Over the years, we've grown from a passion project that started in my garage to a thriving community of over 20,000 riders across North America. But recently, we've been faced with a major setback as our warehouse in Delta, BC has been targeted by thieves. They stole an entire shipping container filled with our latest and greatest bikes, the Juggernaut FS Step Through. We've worked over 2 years on this bike and waited over 6 months to get this first production line into our possession. So this isn't just about the financial loss of over $500,000, but it's really a punch to the gut of our team and community. This is where you come in, and as a community, you can help us. You see, these bikes that are on these containers are very unique and very easy to identify from a distance. If you see one of these bikes on the street, please contact us or your local police as soon as you see them. We're not just asking for your eyes, but also for your voice. Share the story so that more people know how to recognize these bikes if they show up on the marketplace. Thank you again for your time and for hearing me out.